Hi, I'm Jasser Al Saad. This is my individual project for energy, environment and sustainability. I will assess green hydrogen in relation to SDG 13, climate action, comparing it with natural gas power generation currently used in Bahrain. Sustainable Development Goal 13 focuses on taking urgent action to combat climate change and reduce its impact. It encourages countries to strengthen climate policies, improve reliance and increase public awareness about climate action. I chose this goal because energy sector is the largest source of greenhouse emissions, so developing cleaner energy technologies is essential to reduce carbon emissions. This picture shows the world carbon emission by sector. Now I will talk about natural gas power plants, which are the main source of electricity in Bahrain. They work by burning natural gas to produce heat. The main advantage is that natural gas power plants are very reliable. They can produce electricity all day. They create less pollution than oil and coal. However, they still produce a lot of carbon dioxide, which contributes to climate change. They also depend on natural gas prices, which can vary. Modern natural gas power plants are about 60% efficient. They produce around 500 grams of CO2 in every kilowatt hour of electricity. Overall, natural gas is a reliable energy source. I will talk about green hydrogen as a future energy source. Green hydrogen is made using electricity from renewable energy like solar power. The electricity is used to split hydrogen and oxygen. The hydrogen can be stored. One of the biggest advantages is that it produces almost no pollution. When hydrogen is used mainly to produce water, so it's good for the environment. However, some challenges. The process is only about 40% efficient, which means a lot of energy is lost. Green hydrogen is also expensive to store and transport. Second point, today greenhouse is still more expensive than hydrogen made from natural gas, but experts believe as the technology evolves, the cost will be less and the use of more energy. And there's a picture of greenhouse uses. In comparison, natural gas to green hydrogen, efficiency of natural gas is more, cost of natural gas is less, CO2 emissions of natural gas is more, natural gas is more reliable, green hydrogen is more sustainable, environmental impact of green hydrogen is more. Green hydrogen is not yet commercially viable of regular power production, and therefore it needs to be used for first-hand to abate sectors such as heavy industries and shipping. Where natural gas continues to be the transitional fuel for now, and evidence based on NUN's conclusion. Practical activity. For the practical activity, I estimated my household electricity-related carbon footprint. I used an average monthly of consumption of 1,000 kilowatt per hour, since Bahrain electricity grid emits about 0.65 kilograms of CO2 per kilowatt hour. The monthly emissions are approximately 650 kilograms of CO2. If the same electricity were produced using a lower carbon energy source such as green hydrogen or renewable energy source, the emission could be sufficiently reduced. The activity showed me how everyday electricity can contribute to climate change and why cleaner energy is needed. Climate change affects everyone, but future generation will experience its impact the most. Although the greenhouse has great potential and it's still expensive, as currently more suitable for large industries than for homes. Government therefore have an important role to supporting research, providing financials and building international sponsorship as Gulf countries with excellent solar resources. I explained SDG 13 and the differences between natural gas to 5 people. I asked them 3 simple questions. What is green hydrogen? Why hydrogen is considered a clean energy, and why it's not widely used today. The participants were understood, and they were surprised to learn that the main challenges are its high cost and relatively low efficiency. Overall, the discussion increased the awareness of clean energy and climate action. In conclusion, natural gas remains reliable and affordable source for electricity, but produce significant CO2 Green hydrogen is promising a clean energy solution for the future, although it's currently limited by its cost and efficiency. My recommendation is for Bahrain and other GCC countries to gradually expand investment in green hydrogen alongside renewable energy sources.